Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mehran and you are watching Dynamic Tech. So as you guys can see, today I have got the Xiaomi Poco M3, which is the latest mid-range smartphone, and it is side by side with the Samsung Galaxy A21s. The most interesting thing is the price of both of them is almost the same, and also both comes with 4 gigs of RAM. So in this video we are gonna see the gaming performance to find out which is best and which one you should buy for gaming at the end of 2020. So let's not waste any further time and get into the speed test. As always, kicking things off with the Bootup Test, and here we go. Now let's talk about some basic specifications. So on the Poco M3 we have got Snapdragon 662 chipset, while on the Galaxy A21s we have got Exynos 850 chipset, and as I told you, both comes with 4 gigs of RAM. So let's see who is going to be the winner of this race, and both are taking some time. Well, you can see the Poco M3 was really quick out here when it comes to Bootup Test, and followed by the Galaxy A21s, and I think it was around 3 to 4 second difference in a first Bootup Test, which is a huge difference. Now you guys can see I have installed nearly the same applications, and we are gonna try these apps one by one on both of them. So after this test we will get to know which is best and which one you should buy. So let's see. Okay, so before starting the speed test, you guys can see both of them have got the same Wi-Fi connection, and also everything is completely turned off. Let me show you just to confirm that. So starting from some basic applications, and let's go to the phone dialer. Well, you can see it was about the same, though the A21 was a bit quicker, but I will call it even. And this one goes to the Poco M3 camera. Well, again the animations was quicker here on the Galaxy A21s. Now let's try some third-party applications to see the real difference and to find out the faster one between both of them. Now as always, the last one is going to be RAM management between both of them. So let's do that, and at the end of this video we will decide which is best and which one you should buy. So stay tuned. Welcome back guys. So it was a gaming test, RAM management test and camera test comparison between the Poco M3 and the A21s, and as you guys saw here the gaming performance of both of them. Some of the application tests won by the A21s, but I would say most of them won by the Poco M3. So now I am really confused, so I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section about both of them. Okay guys, it was all from us for today. Make sure to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video. I will really appreciate that. Thanks for watching us and we'll see you in my next video.